ERi-TV news broadcast crew and I, Delit Sahaya, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. But first, let us catch up with the major headlines. Seminar on developing awareness of harmful practices. School material support to students. India tests fires Iskander-like tactical ballistic missiles. 2023 set to be the warmest year on record, weather scientists said. On our local news, seminars on developing the understanding of the public on harmful practices has been organized from 23rd October to 4th November in various subzones in the southern Red Sea region. The seminar was focused on eradicating harmful practices and ensure the rights of children and women. At the seminar that was conducted to religious leaders, influential and adults, women and others in the subzone of Asab and southern Dankalia, extensive briefing were provided regarding to traditional underage marriage and their consequences in the physical and psychological development of women, rights of children and women, as well as legal ramification of practices female genital mutilation. Similar seminars focusing on development of awareness of students on harmful practices was organized in Adaya subzone. At the seminar that was conducted from 24th October to 2nd November in 5 schools, Mr. Has Alalom, head of the National Union of Eritrean Women branch in the subzone, gave extensive briefing on the consequences of underage marriage and female genital mutilation and overall development of women. Additionally, Mr. Has urged society to intensify engagement in the fight to abstain from dangerous habits and to fully comprehend in the terminal effects of such acts. The Ministry of Labour and Social Welfare branch in Asmat subzone extended school material support to 90 disadvantaged students in the subzone. According to Colonel Saleh Idris, head of the office branch in the subzone, the beneficiary students are from administrative areas of Asnada, Orota, Mbildai, Hawush, Shigali, Era, and Shakhawagret. In a related news, 45,000 nakfa contributed by government employees in the Ansabar region has been dispersed to 9 families of martyrs in Aditakalezan subzone. At the event, call was made to every citizen to strengthen participation and contribution in support of families of martyrs. Maternity nurse Ali Mohammed, head of the Ashgala Health Station Golit subzone, reported that the number of pregnant women delivering at the health station is on a rise. Nurse Ali stated that health station also offered medical care to patients in the rural areas through barefoot doctors, indicating that growing number of expectant women giving birth there is a sign of public growing awareness. In the same vein, residents of Tsorona Semi-Urban Center conducted environmental sanitation popular campaigns with a view to control the prevalence of communicable diseases. The popular campaign, in which the government workers, students and other members of the public took part, including clearing mosquito breeding areas, and 350 people were daily participating at the program. Dear viewers, we'll be back with the international news shortly. Please stay tuned. Welcome back. India on Tuesday successfully fired a domestically designed surface-to-surface short-range ballistic missile, which was developed for deployment along its borders with China and Pakistan. The missile, called Paralai, was fired from Abdul Kalam Island in the east state of Odisha. The PTI news agency reported, citing defense officials. During Thursday's test flight, the missile met all its objectives and its trajectory was tracked along the coastline, the official told PTI. He compared it with Russia's Iskander tactical ballistic missile, which has been actively used in the Ukraine conflict, as well as on the Dongfeng 12 missile. Pakistan also has tactical ballistic missiles in its defense system, the report noted. The Paralai is cruise ballistic missile developed to defeat interceptor missiles. It has the ability to change course after covering a certain range mid-air and can be deployed from a mobile launcher. The maiden test on the Paralai missile, which has DRDO, has been developed since 2015, were conducted on December 2021. The Indian Defence Minister stated that the missile is powered with a solid propellant rocket motor, while its guidance system includes a state-of-the-art navigation system and integrated avionics. And our last news. 2023 is guaranteed to be the hottest year on record due to the unprecedented temperature anomalies, the Deputy Director of the Copernicus Climate Change Service said on Tuesday. Samantha Burgers added that October 2023 has been identified as the warmest October global according to historical data. Burgers emphasized the pressing needs to urgent and momentous climate action leading up to COP28, stating that there has never been a greater sense of urgency. She referred to proxy records such as cave deposits, classifying organisms, coral and shells. The records indicated that Earth has not experienced such high temperature in the past 125,000 years. Dear viewers, we've come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a quick recap of the headlines. Seminar on developing awareness of harmful practices. School material support to students. India tests fires scandal like tactical ballistic missiles. 2023 said to be the warmest year on record, Weather Scientist says. That is all with our local and international news. Dear viewers, thanks for watching and have a good night.